Well, we finally made it. This is the first pile of rocks, and if you remember, it was up to, well, the editor will put a line where the height was of this pile of rocks. I think it is double the height now. And then over here we have our second pile of rocks, which, steepy is going to be the easy line on this approach. And then over here also, especially this rock is, we put it a lot steeper than it was before. So yeah, I didn't make it easy on myself. And then someone has to test this. So let's Candace have the honor. She is really capable. She has a nice set of tires. Well, actually 2 sets of tires. She has the Bounty Hunters. And then later on in this video, I will probably run her on this course on, what is it? The Rovers, the red Rovers from Hot Bodies. Talking about bodies, gonna have to fight to keep the body front and rear bumper out of trouble on this new parkour. So let's just see what we can do. This first pool was actually the same as before, but now we already encounter this rock, which is way steeper than before. And well, it is Candace and it is Bounty Hunters. So as long as her skid and her pumpkin's clear, she tends to be really capable. Let's see if that still goes for this course. There's a little bit of a flat spot on top. That isn't too bad, so the cars get a little bit of rest. And then now we go down steepy. I might need to throttle her down so she doesn't tilt over. Can we clear the bumper? Yeah, we clear the bumper. Nice. Rear bumper in a little bit. Can we clear this rock? No, we will need. So we gave her a little reset. Let's see if we can clear that front bumper. I don't want to. Oh, it's just a little bit. Okay. We don't want to ruin her because she is so nice. Let's try wall side first. Let's see where we get. Rear bumper in. Not too bad. Just a little pulling and scratching. Can we manage this one? I hope you can see how steep this is now. I think this is even steeper than steepy. A little bit of wheel speed perhaps. Yeah, Bounty Hunters, man, Bounty Hunters. Incredible. This one also clears the bumper, but now the axle is in. Can we manage to free the axle up? We are going to slide the wrong way. Maybe. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Bounty Hunters are so crazy good. Can we pull? Can we pull and push? We can pull and push. Next one, rear tires on a ledge, front ones also on a ledge. So this is really in between the wheelbase stuff, and I like in between the wheelbase stuff. Okay, but as you can see, Candace is on top. I did do a test run with Compy, and it was really challenging. So the fact that Candace gets over here is really nice. Talking about Candace, the only thing we changed up till now is just only that motor EC ESC combo from Hobbywing that she runs now. It's the 1800 SE. All right, really nice. Oh, bumper, be careful. Okay, there's a couple of lines to be done. Maybe we start with wall side if that is at all possible. Bumper clear. Okay, this is still the pumpkin line. We kept the pumpkin line in. We of course kept the face in, as you can see. Yeah, there is a lot of mechanical going on right now. And then rear bumper also is not helping, but Bounty Hunters, man, that's just some crazy stuff. Can we get onto wall side? We'll pull over here perhaps, and then no, I think slowly does it, as you can see. Next rock, I want to keep her on wall side. And now again we have some mechanical. It is of course 1.5 scale. Class 1 is this almost class 1? No, it's not a hard body, so it's class 1 with a Oh man, how does she do all this? How does she do all this? Crazy stuff. Can she get up here? That would be... Man, those bounty hunters pull. Those pull really hard. Alright, let's get all the way over the top with Candace. I have to film in a really different way now. Okay, let's see how our rigs descend. Might need to throttle the descent or not. Candace is a really great rig. Okay, there was a little bit of throttle and she's settling down, but I think we have bumper in just the tiniest bit. Can we free the bumper up and pull over this line? Oh, be gentle please. Okay, with a little bit of rear bumper we managed to get over, and then let's see if she can still do steepy. That would surprise me if that was no longer possible. So like this. Okay, sometimes bounty hunters love a little bit of wheel speed. Oh wow, what a line is she taking. That's almost unbelievable. Okay, do we have enough now? Not yet. Struggling but getting over. Strong Candace, really strong. Some steer input left and right will help her out. Yeah baby, there you go, there you go. Alright, so as you can see, Candace is capable and she is on real great tires. So yeah, really nice done. Just want to do steepy with these tires, and then we're going to end up the discovery of this new pile of rocks. Because I think I'm going to stay here for a little bit longer. Well, probably a whole lot longer. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you going over that new rock? Do you really want to do that? That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, look at that ledge over here. As you know, Candace is very capable, and I hope this first bit of footage of her driving these rocks on really good tires give you an impression on how tough we made this thing. Candace did really good, so thank you for taking one for the team and discovering the rocks and the lines a little bit. But now there's more vehicles who are going to have to do this. And probably not only vehicles, probably also a number of tires that I will have to retest on these new lines. So I'm really looking forward to that. I hope you all also look forward to that. And then, I have actually nothing more than I hope to see you on the next one. Bye. Well, we did that kind of wall side, and now I'm curious if we can somehow do something on driver's side. I'm not sure if these tires, there's a little bit of rear bumper in. Can we manage to free up the rear bumper? Well, we can, but we are kind of not really where we want to be now. Can we save ourselves? Not really. I wanted to do driver's side. Okay. Somehow managed to get a little bit higher up. I need you to put the front end down. Come on. Come on, Candace. Come on, come on, come on. Pull this line. Now we are mechanical now. It's just not there. That driver rear is on a ledge, and that's really not helping us. Somewhere over here, perhaps. Something like this. Oh, Wow, wow, wow. What did she just do? I didn't see that line coming. And now, oh, whoa, whoa, wow, 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 all the way on the outside. Double ledge in, but the bounty hunters grab over that rock. We grab over here. Can we now do one more? No, no. Really? We can do one more. Bounty hunters, man. Bounty hunters. Crazy on this little rig. It's just so crazy. Well done, Candace.